Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. So today, Council approved certain memos that relate to Nigerian science, technology, and innovation ecosystem. They're actually landmark development for the ecosystem. So first is the approval of the National Biotechnology Policy, or rather the Revised National Biotechnology Policy. You will recall that Nigeria in 2001, by FEC approval, published its first National Biotechnology Policy. And that is what has served Nigeria for the last 25 years. And under that regime of biotechnology policy, Nigeria has made some significant progress in biomanufacturing, gene editing, and other areas of biotechnology that relate to health sector, agriculture, manufacturing, and others. But of course, considering where biotechnology was at that time and where Nigeria is, and of course where biotechnology is globally, we found that the biotechnology policy of 2001 can no longer serve the current realities for Nigeria and our ambition to be one of the leaders in biotechnology globally. So stakeholders met and we drafted and validated the Revised National Biotechnology Policy, and today Council approved the 2026 Revised National Biotechnology Policy. The implication of this is that there will now be robust strategic roadmap for research, development, commercialization, and application of biotechnology across various sectors, particularly targeting climate smart technology, precision agriculture, manufacturing, gene editing, and genomics in medicine, medical practice, and of course across other sectors of the Nigerian economy, in line with the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President. The second approval, that's also a milestone for the science, technology, and innovation ecosystem, and in fact the energy sector of our economy, is approval by the Council of the Nigeria Biotechnology Partnership and the concomitant National Bioenergy Strategic Plan. Now, Nigeria by this formalizes its membership and its participation in the Global Bioenergy Partnership. 2. This strengthens our access as a country to international collaboration and investment in biotechnology. And let me make some clarification. Nigeria is actually very rich in biomass, bioresources that can be converted to energy. And this framework, and this platform, this partnership would be leveraged to optimize or maximize the opportunities that Nigeria has towards using bioresources for production, utilization of bioenergy. The implementing or lead implementing agency for the implementation of the strategic plan on bioenergy is the Energy Commission Association of Nigeria, which is an agency under the Federal Ministry of Innovation, Science and Technology. This platform is actually an interministerial structural form that will coordinate, work together, every initiative and effort that relates to bioenergy. Of course, other ministries that are involved in this effort, but with this structure, there will be a coordination of all this effort and initiative. And of course, the target is to utilize bioenergy to improve energy access in Nigeria, improve energy sufficiency in Nigeria. Of course, this is in line with the administration's renewed focus on addressing energy insufficiency in Nigeria. Beyond this as well, let me also say that Council also celebrated democracy that was on display in last Saturday's election in Osun State. The President actually celebrated with the members of Council as to, of course, the demonstration of democracy in the last Saturday election in Osun State. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen.